Today, we'll explore how fruits can help cleanse the kidneys after they've been damaged. While kidney repair is not possible, there are ways to maintain and support their health. Each kidney contains about 1 million tiny units called nephrons, which continuously filter the blood. These structures process everything you ingest, consume, or are exposed to, regulating what stays in the body and what is eliminated. As we age, some nephrons naturally decrease, and it's possible to lose up to 20% of them. That's why it's important to avoid harmful substances and maintain a healthy diet to preserve kidney function. Some fruits are particularly beneficial for the kidneys. Not only are they delicious, but they also help maintain and cleanse kidney health by improving blood filtration. By making a small change, such as incorporating a kidney-friendly fruit into your daily diet, you can positively impact your health. Let's dive into the best fruits for kidney health, and I'll share practical tips on how to include them in your daily routine. First up, blueberries. Blueberries are a natural remedy for kidney health. They are rich in antioxidants, which are essential for overall health and especially beneficial for kidney function. According to the National Kidney Foundation, blueberries can help with kidney issues such as chronic kidney disease and kidney stones. Scientific studies support this claim, showing that blueberries are low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, making them an excellent choice for people looking to regulate their mineral intake. Blueberries also contain anthocyanins, which prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary system, reducing the risk of urinary infections. In fact, research has revealed that anthocyanins in blueberries may help slow the progression of diabetic kidney disease. A study from 2022 also found that higher intake of anthocyanins was associated with lower blood pressure and reduced arterial stiffness, both crucial for preventing kidney disease, as high blood pressure is a risk factor. Moreover, blueberries help combat oxidative stress, a process in which free radicals damage kidney cells. By reducing inflammation, blueberries support kidney function. In animal studies, blueberry extract was shown to reduce inflammation and improve kidney function by increasing blood flow to the kidneys and activating genes that control blood pressure and fluid levels. Incorporate blueberries into your diet by adding them to oatmeal, smoothies, or simply enjoying them as a snack. A cup of blueberries contains approximately 9,019 antioxidants, while wild blueberries contain about 13,427 antioxidants. This high level suggests that blueberries may play a role in preventing kidney damage. For maximum benefit, choose fresh or frozen blueberries over dried versions, which contain added sugars and fewer nutrients. Next, apples. Apples are an excellent choice for kidney health, especially for those with reduced kidney function. They are low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, making them a safe option for individuals with kidney issues. Apples are also rich in fiber, particularly pectin, which offers numerous benefits for kidney health. Fiber is essential for kidney health because it helps the kidneys process and eliminate waste more efficiently. Pectin also helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes weight loss, which is beneficial for kidney health, as diabetes and obesity are major risk factors for kidney disease. Some studies suggest that pectin can help eliminate heavy metals such as lead, mercury, and arsenic from the body, although more research is needed in this area. In addition to fiber, apples are a good source of antioxidants, such as quercetin and anthocyanins. Quercetin is especially beneficial because it helps lower blood pressure, which is crucial for kidney health, as high blood pressure can damage the kidneys by narrowing blood vessels. To maximize the benefits of apples, it's best to consume them fresh and whole. Organic apples are preferable as they contain fewer pesticides compared to conventionally grown ones. Avoid consuming apple juice, as it is often filtered and pasteurized, stripping it of antioxidants and fiber while adding more sugar. Dried apples, while convenient, also lack vitamin C and often contain added sugars and calories. Third, grapes. Grapes also offer significant benefits for kidney health. Their high water content helps maintain proper hydration, which is essential for the kidneys to effectively eliminate waste and toxins. Grapes are natural diuretics, promoting urine production and assisting in the detoxification process. This is especially beneficial for individuals with kidney conditions that may cause fluid retention. Grapes are rich in resveratrol, an antioxidant that has been shown to reduce oxidative damage and inflammation, both of which are key factors in kidney injury. Resveratrol has also been found to improve kidney function by promoting blood flow and increasing urine volume, which helps protect against kidney damage. Additionally, grapes contain other flavonoids, such as quercetin and epicatechin, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that reduce the risk of kidney disease. Recent studies suggest that consuming resveratrol may improve kidney filtration rates, indicating that regular consumption of grapes may help protect kidney health. Grapes also contain compounds that may reduce the growth of kidney cancer cells, adding to their health benefits. Key takeaways for kidney health. 1. Incorporate kidney-friendly fruits into your diet. Blueberries, rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. They support kidney function by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation, which is key for those with kidney disease. Blueberries are low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, making them an excellent choice for people with kidney issues. Aim to consume about a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries daily to help cleanse the kidneys. Apples. Apples are an excellent source of fiber, especially pectin, which helps regulate blood sugar, promotes weight loss, and can aid in the removal of heavy metals from the body. They are also high in antioxidants like quercetin, which help reduce blood pressure, critical for kidney health. Fresh, whole apples are the best choice. Opt for organic apples to reduce pesticide exposure. Grapes. High in water content and resveratrol, grapes promote hydration and help the kidneys detoxify by increasing urine production. Resveratrol has been shown to reduce oxidative damage and inflammation, improving kidney function. Regular consumption of grapes can improve kidney filtration rates and provide protection from kidney damage, especially for those at risk of kidney disease. 2. Hydration is crucial for kidney health. Water plays an essential role in kidney function by helping filter waste from the blood and converting it into urine. Inadequate hydration can lead to kidney damage over time. Fruits like grapes, which have high water content, are beneficial for maintaining hydration. However, it's important to drink enough water throughout the day in addition to consuming hydrating fruits. A general rule of thumb is to aim for at least 8 glasses, about 2 liters of water a day, unless otherwise recommended by your healthcare provider, especially if you have kidney issues. 3. Monitor your intake of potassium, sodium, and phosphorus. For kidney health, monitoring your intake of minerals like potassium, sodium, and phosphorus is essential, especially for individuals with kidney disease. Too much of these minerals can strain the kidneys as they are responsible for filtering them out of the body. Apples and blueberries are particularly beneficial because they are low in these minerals, making them safe for people with kidney problems. If you have chronic kidney disease, CKD, it's important to follow a diet plan recommended by a healthcare provider or dietitian to help manage mineral intake. Number 4. Choose organic fruits. Less pesticides, more nutrients. Conventional fruits, such as apples, often contain pesticide residues that can be harmful to the kidneys over time. By choosing organic or pesticide-free fruits, you minimize your exposure to these harmful substances while still benefiting from the nutrients the fruits provide. Organic options. Organic apples, blueberries, and grapes not only have fewer pesticides, but also tend to retain higher levels of antioxidants and essential nutrients, which contribute to kidney health. Number 5. Avoid processed and sugary products. Limit fruit juices and dried fruits. While convenient, store-bought fruit juices and dried fruits often contain added sugars, preservatives, and are stripped of beneficial fiber and antioxidants. These products can be detrimental to kidney health in the long term due to the added sugar content, which can cause inflammation and strain on the kidneys. Focus on whole fruits. Fresh fruits are the best option to ensure you're getting the maximum amount of nutrients and antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. 6. Balance your diet with other kidney-supporting foods. While fruits like blueberries, apples, and grapes are great for kidney health, it's important to also include other kidney-supporting foods in your diet. Foods like leafy greens, fish high in omega-3 fatty acids, Nuts, seeds, and whole grains contribute to kidney health by reducing inflammation, providing essential nutrients, and supporting overall kidney function. A diet rich in antioxidants, fiber, and anti-inflammatory properties from a variety of sources will ensure that your kidneys have the support they need to function properly. 7. The role of antioxidants in kidney health. Antioxidants like anthocyanins, resveratrol, and quercetin are crucial for combating oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are major contributors to kidney damage. By including antioxidant-rich fruits like blueberries, grapes, and apples in your diet, you can help reduce the risk of kidney damage caused by free radicals. A diet high in antioxidants has been shown to improve kidney function and may help prevent the progression of kidney disease, particularly for those who are at risk. 8. Incorporate a kidney-friendly lifestyle. In addition to eating the right foods, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential for kidney health. This includes regular physical activity, avoiding smoking, limiting alcohol intake, and managing conditions such as high blood pressure and diabetes, which are major risk factors for kidney disease. Getting regular checkups and kidney function tests, especially if you have risk factors, can help catch kidney problems early and prevent further damage. Incorporating fruits into your diet is a great way to support kidney health, but it's essential to understand the right balance. The general recommendation is to consume at least 400 grams of fruits and vegetables daily. While eating more than the recommended amount of fruit is not harmful, it's important to consider the types of fruits you are consuming. Whole fruits, rich in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins, should be prioritized. On the other hand, fruit juices and dried fruits should be consumed in moderation due to their high sugar content. Additionally, variety in fruit selection ensures you're getting a wide range of nutrients. By making informed choices, you can maximize the benefits of fruit for your kidney health while minimizing potential risks.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.